Welcome to QuikCodes. Today, we're going to talk about Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that lets you organize data into rows and columns, making it easy to track and analyze information. You can use formulas to perform calculations like adding up numbers and create charts to visually represent data. It's widely used for everything from budgeting to managing large data sets because it's powerful and versatile, yet simple enough for basic tasks. In the sequence of videos to come, with this one being the first, we'll be covering some basic, quick, and easy features of Excel to get you started. But the first thing to know is that Excel can be installed on Windows, Macs, Androids, iPhones, and iPads. These videos will be hosting Excel through Mac. And if you're using Excel on Windows, it shouldn't be a problem. I mean, the layout and functionality are almost the same. But if you're still uncomfortable, comment and I'll create a tutorial using Windows. So as you may notice, Excel on the Mac operating system as well as Windows offers pre-made templates to give you a jump start to whatever task you want to perform. If you want to explore the other templates that's available through Excel, you can click this tab that's on the right hand side. Let me see. And it'll offer presets such as making a list, tracking your tasks, performing budgets and family budgets and so forth. But to keep things simple, we're going to go to a blank workbook. So a blank workbook, according to Excel, is a spreadsheet program file. All right. It contains worksheets, and this will be a worksheet. This whole spreadsheet is referred to as a worksheet. And within workbook, you can have more than one worksheet. At this time, we're on sheet 1, which represents, let me see. Okay, I hope you can see. Which represents worksheet number 1. But if you click the plus sign next to worksheet or sheet number 1, you'll see additional sheets are added. Sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5, and etc. And if ever you want to delete the worksheet, you'll right click on your mouse, which will bring up these options, hit delete, and it's just that simple. Delete, worksheet 3. Okay. So back to number worksheet 1, or however. Worksheets, as we said before, is just a spreadsheet. It contains cells in every single box. All of these boxes that you see are called cells, okay? And they're used to contain data, numbers, and words, phrases, cities, states, whatever. But ideally numbers to collect that information and perform calculations for you. Each cell is populated within a column and a row. So for an example, this one right here will be column E, row 6, okay? And if ever you're not sure, what cell, where's the destination or location of the cell that you're using, you click on that particular cell and look to the left side right here. I might have to blow this up for you guys. Give me 1 second. Let's see, maybe. I'll have to figure that out later. But right here, you'll be able to see that it says E7 for column E, row 7. Okay? So as a quick overview, Excel offers pre-made templates to jumpstart your tasks. Workbook or workbooks within Excel is a spreadsheet program file that contain worksheets. Worksheets are spreadsheets with cells, and cells are organized in columns and rows and hold data for calculation.